Hello everyone, this video is a 3D simulation demonstration of Zhongjing board. This wall system block uses standard modular assembly and prefabrication in factory, then install on site. Features include short construction time, class of fireproof, mildew-proof, moisture-proof, easy clean, replaceable, and eco-friendly. Suitable for interior spaces such as residential, apartments, hotel, education and hospitals. This is mainly composite leveling system. Install system and surface effect layer. First, use laser equipment for positioning. Then drill holes on the positioning points. Insert expansion bolts into wall holes. Level by turning the screws. Simultaneously calibrate with a laser level. Clip the M38 keel onto the base. Use high-strength self-tapping screws to drill holes, to fix the M38 keel to the leveling bolt. Install pipelines and switch junction boxes at the reserved gaps. Choose either 10mm Zhongjing coating series for surface decoration, or Gorgeous series. Of the leveling bolts. Grooves are pre-cut on panel sides. Fit with metal trim when installed. Put the metal trim to the groove on panel side. Fix the metal trim onto M38 keel with screws. The installation shall commence at the internal corner or external corner, depending on the layout. This video shows install from external corner. Installed on the M38 leveling keel from one end to the other. Use metal trim to fix the decoration layer. Pressure fixation. Then install switches. Install the top line, skirting line, and other edge finishing work at the end, and then finish the rest details. The above is the simulation of the model block of the Zhongjing prefabricated wall system before installation. Thank you. Create excellence for architecture.